Charles' ticket costs £4.20, so if there are C children, it would cost 4.2 times C. Similarly, for adults, it'd be 7.7 times A, and if we add these together, it will give us our total cost. Now, this is not a Diophantine equation, but we're interested in the value of capital C being a whole number, which means that actually we're interested in turning it into a Diophantine equation, finding integer values for little c, a, and capital C. The first thing I'm going to do is get rid of the decimals, actually. I'm going to basically turn it into pence. I could just times through by 10, actually. And do you know what? I'm going to change my mind and do that. So 42c plus 77a is going to equal 10 times capital C. Because it's a little bit easier from this. When you get this sort of equation, you should always divide through by any common factors. And 42 and 77 have a common factor of 7. So I can write down that 6c plus 11a is equal to 10 over 7 times capital C. What that means is capital C, for it to be a whole number, must be a multiple of 7. So we just need to look at the answers now and see which one is a multiple of 7, and it's actually 91, because this is 7 times 13. Then it would be 98 as the next one, so all the rest are not possible. Now, for this question, we've done enough. We haven't actually, however, shown that 91 is a solution. We're just saying that, like, for it to potentially be a solution, it has to be a multiple of 7. So I'm just going to go a little bit further and show that it is actually possible. Substituting it in will give 10. So if we divide by 7, we get 13. So we'll be solving it equal to this equal to 130. And then I'm going to divide through by 2 because that's a common factor for 6 and 130 to give me 3c plus 11 over 2a is equal to 65. And that means that a has to be a multiple of 2. So let's just now try different values. So let's say a is equal to 2. Then I would do 65 minus 11 to give me 54. And then divide by 3 to work out the number of children. And that will be 18. So that will work. Okay, so actually we're done. Let's just see if there's any other ways we can get 130. Why not? Sorry, 100 and it'd be 91 overall. For adults means that this would become 22, so I'd get 43. And that's not divisible by 3. The digit sum is 7. If we have 6 adults, then it would be 65 minus 33, which becomes 32, also not divisible by 3. What about 8 adults? Then I'm minusing 44, I'm going to get 21. And 21 divided by 3 is 7. So that also works. If I go with 10, then I'm going to get 10 as my answer here because it's 65 minus 55, and that's not going to work. 12 would then end up with negative values of C, so they also fail. So actually, there's 2 possible ways to get this, this value of 91.